Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Buick Enclave headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving and preventing glare for others. First, find a level area, like a garage, and park your Enclave 25 feet from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is about half full. Turn on your low beams and mark the center of each light on the wall with tape. Then, measure the height from the ground to these marks. Now, let's find the adjustment points. Open your Enclave's hood. Look closely at the back or top of each headlight assembly. You should find one or two adjustment screws. One screw typically controls the vertical movement of the beam, allowing you to raise or lower it. Some models also have a second screw for horizontal adjustment. A standard Phillips head screwdriver is usually the tool you'll need for this task. With your marks ready, it's time to adjust. Cover one headlight with a towel to focus on the other. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw. For low beams, aim the top of the most intense part of the beam to sit about 2 inches below your horizontal tape line. If a horizontal adjuster is present, aim the brightest part slightly to the right of your vertical mark. Make small, quarter-turn adjustments, then step back to observe the beam pattern. After adjusting both headlights, remove all tape and covers. Confirm that both beams illuminate the road evenly and do not cause excessive glare for oncoming drivers. The driver's side beam should ideally be slightly lower than the passenger side. Finally, take your Buick Enclave for a short night drive to ensure the adjustments provide optimal visibility and safety. Always refer to your owner's manual for any specific aiming specifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.